Tube. I'm gonna get ready to paint this Toyota Prius. We need the mirrors done, the top and the back bumper and hood and front bumper. It was all sun damage and the front bumper had chips. Mirrors had sun damage. The top and the back was sun damage around the right here, and then it had some creases in the bumper and something back here too. It had a couple holes, one here and one right here, a big hole. So we fixed that. And right now I'm gonna paint it, so I'll show you guys when it's all done. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, this is it right here. Got it all painted. So it came out pretty good. I see a couple haze spots, but you could cut and polish those out. Yeah, so that's it. Alright guys, if you can like, comment, subscribe, I'll be posting up more videos. Stuff we're doing at the shop and stuff that I'm working on myself at home or side projects. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.